I wasn't expecting all this. I thought it was one of those talk shops you come to sit down and listen to Huawei. But I realized that this is a very interactive and thought-provoking training.
I've been in 2 trainings in my previous bank in the last 4 or 5 years, but this one is unique.
I personally think the program has been insightful, has been thought-provoking.
This training program involved a lot of participation. A lot of participation. There was role playing, there was scenarios that we discussed, and we also had to group up into workshops and come up with solutions for various topics. We have one right behind me here. It was great because then the participation makes it very memorable and relevant to the job that we're doing right now currently as supervisors.
So I must say this has been very, very revealing, informative and very educative. I've enjoyed myself very, very much.
It's also been, fantastic. I have also loved the teamwork, throughout. It's never been boring. They've put that into different project teams, and it's been very insightful, I must say, very, very insightful.
The training has been very wonderful.
This program has been very interesting and has been an eye-opener. Come to notice that communication is key in leadership. How you communicate to your team members, how you involve them in what they do or what is supposed to be done really matters.
Facilitators have been very, very wonderful. They are well knowledgeable and they are up abreast with their stuff.
My take home is fantastic. The hurrah. Make them feel good, involve the team members in the decisions that we're making. Don't be too quick to give the answers because you're a leader, but always make sure that you have the team participation, involvement in coming up with the solutions, and that's fantastic.
I think it's super. So I've actually learned a lot, and I really wish this could continue.
I'm taking home how to communicate well to my team leaders, how to inspire them with good communication, and then the best will come out of the team.
I also want to recommend the program to my other colleagues who have not had the benefit to be part of it.
This training has been one of the best I have attended.
This is one of the most practical ones that I've attended so far.
I think this is a very good training. I think it should be cascaded down even to the second level, even staff as a whole. I think it shouldn't just stop there.
It has been fantastic.